Did you know glaciers leave clues in sediments, not just etched into the bedrock? Behind me, I have one example. It's called an esker. An esker is a river-washed sediment deposited underneath the ice. Imagine 2 kilometers of ice above me, and we've got this channel of water flowing, and actually the sediment builds up and up and up, and we can look closer at the sediment to make sure it's actually river wash sediment and not till. Remember till? Till is going to have a wide range of grain sizes, and it's probably going to be more angular components to it. River wash sediment should have rounded fragments and have less fine material. If we take a closer look at the material in front of me, you can see all the little cobbles and boulders. They're very well rounded. This is indicative of river wash sediment. And you can see there's also gravel and sand-sized particles. So there you have it. It's well-rounded material, and we're in a glacial environment. The sediment is built up, and if we take a close look at the map, you'll see the sinuous pattern of an esker. We're on a different road just north of where we were, and we're going to come up and drive over the esker, and you just get a sense of the scale and the size of this thing. All right, we're in the lowlands here. This is the till plain. Water collects in the lowlands, and this hill in front of us is the esker itself. So we're going to drive up and over it, and then we'll take a quick stop and see if we can get any samples. We're at the top, and we're going down the other side. And you can see in the distance we've got other hills. Remember, in the till plains, we've got drumlins and eskers and kames and different glacial features. So the landscape is quite hilly, up and down. And oh, there's a great place to go look at some material. So I've drove along. I've gone a little bit further north from the location I was recording about the esker, and I found the spot where the esker comes out on the next road over. And I can actually get up close and take a closer look at the sediment. So let's dive in. All right, you can see we've got cobbles, well-rounded. Some bigger pieces as well. Oh, lots of ants on that one. Got some bigger pieces coming up on the size of boulders. All right, but everything is well-rounded. And we dig into the sediment here. It's very loose, sandy sediment. All right, and we take a closer look at that aggregate. Now, there's some angular pieces there, but a lot of them are quite well-rounded, and it's really sandy and gravelly. And that's what we expect when we're dealing with river wash sediment, is that it will be well-rounded. There'll be lots and lots of sand and gravel and very little clay material. So there you have it, having a close look at the material. It's well-rounded, and there is very little fine material. It's sand, gravel, and cobbles and boulders, and that is indicative of river wash sediment. And because of the raised nature of this feature, it is an esker. Thanks for watching this video on eskers, and stay tuned for more glacial feature videos coming up soon.